Today we're going to talk about adding integers. Integers are any positive or negative whole number. So if I had to add just two whole numbers that are positive, you would add the 2 to the 3 and you would get 5. But in terms of integers, that would mean that all of these are positive. That's one option. The other option is if I have both of them being negative. If that's the case, if both are negative, my answer is definitely going to be negative, and I just add the 2 plus the 3 and I get 5. The only problem comes when I have one positive and I add to it one negative. There is no guarantee for me to be able to tell you whether your answer is going to be positive or negative like I did here. All positives, going to be a positive. All negatives, going to be a negative answer. This one, you actually, when you're adding two different signed numbers, you have to take the difference, meaning that it becomes 3 minus 2, which is 1, but then the sign depends on which of these numbers is bigger in absolute value. So the absolute value of the 3 is larger, so the answer would be negative 1 because that's the sign on that number. If it had been the same kind of thing, but with the signs being different, again, I would still take the difference. Different signs means take the difference, means subtract. It would still be a 1, but because the 3 is actually a larger absolute value and it's positive, this answer would be positive.